Hey guys, so yeah, it's the drop day today. It's live cop number 2. It's about 10 minutes before the drop. I'm just tuning you guys in to tell you what I'm actually going to go for. So I've decided to go for the needlepoint and the camo and the bandages, if they actually are here. I have a feeling they might be US exclusive, I don't know why, it's just in my head. If they're not there, then it'll just be the needlepoint. But I'm hoping to take a W this week. Sorry about the L last week, but we will improve on it. I will see you in about 10 minutes when the drop's about to happen. Hey guys, so we're back. It's 2 minutes before the drop, as you can see here, hopefully. So we're just, it's 1 minute now. So we're just about to try and cop. As I said earlier, we're going for the needlepoint camo and the bandages maybe, if we can get them, if they're not US exclusive. Hopefully I can take more of a W than last week. I don't want to, let's not talk about that. It's only 10 seconds left. Oh, let's go. I hate doing cops. That must be 12. So we're in tops and sweaters, I know that. Better than last week, the site's a bit laggy. So this is it here. Come on. Add that to basket, and then we go to the accessories now. Oh my god, I always get so shaky when I'm doing live cops, or just cops in general. Come on. It's been a bit slow today. It's been like this the last couple of weeks. Yeah, I think it's a US exclusive. That's a bit annoying. Check out with this and see what happens. It's fine putting in my card details. Let's see if we get it. I don't think it's one of the most hyped items, but it's still a hyped item. Yes, so we got that. Nice. That's one thing. At least I'm not being a complete idiot. Let's see. I think the bandages might have been US exclusive things. I couldn't see them. Let's just double check again. Yeah, god, the website has been slow. Yeah, it looks like they were US exclusive. I kind of thought that. It usually happens, which is rubbish, because obviously, like, it would be decent to get. Oh, somebody's got. It would be decent to get, but what can you do? There was like a lot of nice pieces this week, but it's just, obviously, this is what I was going for. It's just a shame we didn't have the bandages here, but at least we copped something. I'll just quickly go through and see what's selling out. So I can imagine all the S logo hoodies will be selling out. Most of them yet, looks like it. Then you have the Lux. I don't know if this will sell out as much. I think certain colourways will sell out. You've also got, now the thing I'm really interested in is the Ghost Rider jacket, and it's not sold out yet, like expected, but I guess we'll have to wait and see, because it probably will sell out. It's just, obviously it's not right now. Let's see how mine is doing. I don't think mine is selling it. It's quite a slow week, to be honest. The website's busy, but the bandages just aren't there. I hope I've not missed them, and they actually are there. I'm just being an idiot. God, the website really does not want to load. There you go. Yeah, there's still some left. I liked it though, so I went for that. So guys, that was a live cop. I done a lot better this week. I only got one item though, but I was going to go for the bandages, but they weren't there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys want to leave a comment, tell me what you guys caught below, and I'll be there to reply to them. Please leave a like, subscribe. Follow my Instagrams at Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus Shoes. See you in the next one. Peace.